So I'm gonna be unboxing the standard version of the PC standard version of Cyberpunk 2077, and I just bought this from Data Blitz, and it comes with this free badges that you can sew onto a jacket or a shirt maybe, and then this really cool keychain that I really love. It's metal. So there we go. It's so hard to peel this off with one hand. Okay, I can manage that. Good. So finally, 8 years of waiting. It's finally here. Very cool. World Company. Okay, and it's a good read. So here's the game itself. It's covered in plastic again. And then what is this? Postcards. Okay. Where's the map? Map. Maybe it's inside. Okay, so this is what's inside the box, the game box itself. So it's a game soundtrack. It's really cool. Welcome tonight. Stickers. Nice. So I think this is the map. The map of the game. Maybe I should frame this. Big. Maybe not as big as the map in Witcher 3, but it's big enough. Nice. This pretty much covers the standard version of the PC game of Cyberpunk 2077. Can't wait to install this with my very slow internet. Alright, I hope you enjoy. Thank you.